Cole's gonna bring in the Escalade here. I moved this thing over here.
Beautiful beast. It's cold.
Well, we got the Escalade in the garage here. She's really iced up right now. Look at this. This is why we wanted those mud flaps. Look at all that ice buildup. That is crazy. So we're gonna let this thaw out and go wash it tomorrow and get these mud flaps on. Look at solid ice here. I hope that's mud. I don't think our light will reach that far. Oh no, she's been hit. Oh crap. Crap. Someone's hit this Escalade. Well, as you guys know, I was going to install those weathertech mud flaps. It's going to wash this thing up. But we've been hit. Someone smoked this driver's side rear corner. It's got the bumper pad here, the light, and this rear quarter panel. It's right on the edge there. So I won't be installing those mud flaps until we get this repaired. Crappy part about it is I do not have good luck with repairs. Nothing holds up like factory paint, like stone chips and everything. Factory paint can take stones way better than if you have to get an auto body shop to paint it. Like this panel here, hopefully the new mud flaps will stop from the rocks hitting it, but if it does get hit with rocks after it's been painted from getting hit, it's gonna chip way easier than factory paint would. That's my experience anyways. And there's always defects in the paint too. I've never had good luck with auto body shops, so it's quite disappointing. Brand new vehicle, and the people, they just drive off, they don't tell you or anything, because I'm almost positive someone hit her, because this is on the driver's side. Pretty rare for you to hit somebody on your driver's side if you're pulling out or whatever. It's always going to be on the passenger side, but if someone's backing out of a parking spot and they're turning, they're going to turn right into you, right? And they just nicked it. The way the damage is, it's most likely she got hit. I don't believe she did it. Very frustrating. So we'll wait till this gets fixed and then we'll install those mud flaps. Or maybe I'll put 3 of them on and I'll wait for this one, because they got to paint all here, so it's pointless to install it, because they'll probably just leave it on then and paint. That's how they did my mom's truck. They just left it all on and just taped everything off and painted it. I don't want it like that. I want it done properly. So we'll be taking this to a GM dealership to get fixed. Won't be fixing it here in town. We just have one body shop, and I will never take a vehicle there again. So we'll see how she goes. Keep you guys updated.